Max Clear Remover is the world's best alcohol-based adhesive remover, designed for ultra-fast and effective removal of adhesives. Its key ingredient, alcohol, makes the process quick and efficient. Skin-safe ingredients. Max Clear contains only skin-safe ingredients that are gentle and effective. Its formula is specially designed to be safe for use on sensitive areas like the scalp, ensuring no damage or harm to your skin. No side effects. Due to its alcohol content, Max Clear may cause a slight itching sensation. This is normal as alcohol has antiseptic properties, but it's not harmful. Users experience no redness, irritation, or discomfort, just fast and safe adhesive removal. Safety and testing. Max Clear is FDA approved and has undergone rigorous testing on numerous users, ensuring both safety and effectiveness. You can trust that it has passed all necessary safety checks. Why we are the best. Unlike other adhesive removers, Max Clear works faster and requires only 5 to 8 milliliters to remove adhesives. Our formula provides superior results, is gentle on the skin, and ensures 100% satisfaction for our users.